They have a specialist diet comprising of poisonous leaves. Koalas are folivore specialists, feeding mainly on eucalyptus leaves and occasional leaves of other plant species. The koala's digestive system is particularly good at tolerating its toxic eucalyptus diet, which, even in small amounts, can often be poisonous and fatal to most animals when ingested. Special liver enzymes and symbiotic gut bacteria help to break down poisonous compounds, thus allowing koalas to survive on a diet of eucalyptus leaves. They can eat up to 1 kilogram a day without even breaking a sweat.